Hi everyone, I'm going to be doing an adverse bad credit awareness week this week. So I'm going to be doing an update every single day with regards to mortgages and with regards to adverse credit, what you can do to still be able to buy yourself that first property or whether you want to remortgage or move house. First of all, today we'll start off with defaults. So a default is when, let's say for example, you've got a credit card and you've missed payments and it's got to a point where you've missed 6, 7, 8 payments. Eventually, that particular company will log what's called a default on your credit file to say that you have not kept up with repayments, not kept up with your arrangements, and they'll log on your credit file. That goes down as a marker, and that fundamentally stays on your credit file for up to 6 years. Doesn't mean that you cannot get a mortgage or you can't get finance. So we work with a load of different companies that when they're looking at circumstances, the first thing they'll look at is when was that default? So how long ago was that credit issue that you had? Have you now got yourself back on a level playing field? Is anything since that date been well maintained, kept up to date, etc.? So some companies will say, if as long as you've not had any defaults in the last 6 months, last 12 months, last 18 months, you can expect to pay a high rate of interest or potentially slightly bigger fees, but there's still options where you can get a mortgage even if you've had defaults in the background. Some of the lenders that we work with, they're okay if you've had 3, 4, 5 defaults. Again, it purely depends what the default was for, when it was, how much it was for as well. So don't bury your head in the sand if you have had defaults and things like that. Still speak to a mortgage broker, a good mortgage broker, and they'll look at your options and see what they can do with regards to finding the right mortgage for you. Hope that helps.